Good morning, guys. So today we're gonna actually be fitting the front bumper and the hood on it. Shout out to Locals. I found my hoodie again so I can stay nice and warm. I'm a little sick, but I'm gonna take this off. If you guys saw last time how we have this little gap here, it brings it over. I could fit it pretty well. It's just right where this intercooler here is, and on that side it's hitting pretty good. So we're gonna take this off, sand down, cut off part of the back, and it should fit better. I'm also seeing a little coolant leak here, so that's kind of worrying me. Let's see where that's coming. I'll be so butthurt if it's coming from this little water neck here, but it's actually coming from down here on the bottom of the radiator hood, so that's not too big of a deal. So I'm thinking it's probably, I don't think it's the hose at all, because that's a brand new hose. It's either the clamp, maybe not tight all the way. I'm hoping it's not the bottom of the radiator, because I see a little bit of antifreeze there coming from the bottom. Hopefully it's just like the threading part, the AN fitting part, I mean. All right, so first, cut the little bottom section here, tuck the intercooler a little further back. Gonna flip all these around, and hopefully it should fit. Oh God. Don't breathe that in. All right, drilled a couple stuff. Fitments coming out all right, but I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Damn, super yellow. Gonna show you guys our somewhat project car. Ooh wee! Hell yeah! 1J swapped this bad boy. Everybody's going drifting. Here it is, LS400. What year is this?
This is a 91.
Yeah, this is a 91. We were thinking about this. We're just gonna push it?
Let me pull the parking brake.
This has a blown motor on it. Like the, oh God. Hell yeah. So the oil pan was crushed and everything, so it probably has a blown motor. So we're thinking of what to do. We're not sure yet. Buddy.
Pour oil in from the top.
Yep. Dude, that's a video right there. Just pour hella oil and see if this turns on. Yeah, yeah. Oh God. Yeah, so if anybody has an LS400 motor, let me know. Dude, the body's not bad at all though.
How long can the car stay on?
Exactly. Just pour oil in it.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
All right, here we go. We got the side. Got two little mounting tabs on the inside through there, and on the other side, same with here, on the other side as well, rather than use zip ties. Yeah, so sick right now. All right, so it's not too far off there and on the other side, but the only thing I see a problem is that it is sticking out. This should be a little bit further in. Same with this middle piece. This should be a little further in. Could be different because of the GTR. Might be a different crash bar or something, but gonna have to mess around with that. Lift this up a little bit as well. It does come up a little bit, but this section here is supposed to go literally all the way back here. So what we're gonna do is take off this. Aaron, you wanna help me real quick? We're gonna take this bad boy off. We're gonna take off the other hood. Well, we're gonna put the other hood on. Take this one off.
What size is it?
Yeah, all the fenders and everything. Hood is off. Good on that part. Kendrick's finishing up Kadeem's mounts again.
Yeah.
Take 5. Here we go. R32.4. We're gonna run it. So here we got the hood. Fitment's not too off. Gonna have to get some bolts though, because the stock ones actually go in. They're attached to the hood. So we're gonna have to get that. Slide this down a little bit. And damn, it's actually pretty good. Nice. So gonna have to get some bolts, some nuts and bolts for the hood, but like I said, the fitment is pretty good. Can't complain on that. The front bumper needs a little tweaking. You can already see that gap. That whole thing really needs to get pushed in, but I'm gonna put that on pause for now because Kendrick finished machining these brackets for Kadeem's 1J. So we're gonna do that. Jack this up a little bit. so we can slide those in and hopefully it fits perfect. That way we could get rid of this engine hoist and the 1J's bolted in perfectly. So let's take these, we're gonna bolt this under through here. Sorry for the congestion, I'm like dying right now, but still need to finish some stuff. Take this on this side. Oh, there we go, boys. I don't know if you guys can see it. That's all mounted up pretty good. This side's mounted up pretty good as well. Just gonna need a longer screw, I believe. But 1J is holding pretty much without the engine hoist.
What's up, guys? We're back and putting in some work on the Skyline right now. So since the turbo sits pretty close to like everything here, we decided to get some heat wrap. So I got this one, which is a Velcro one we put around the AC line. So going all the way over here. I have a few more over there. So I have one for the oil feed, return. I have one for the other AC line. So, you know, keep everything nice and cool. Alright, so pretty much already got everything wrapped. This is the oil feed, the oil return down here. We have the AC lines here. And should be good to go. Yep. What are we doing over here?
Trying to align Keating's motor, but it's not working out too well on this side.
You're about to get copyrighted. Okay, see you later. Dude, we already started filming on the other camera.
When?
It's right there.
Where?
Look, let's show. You gotta cut when we use the other camera. You gotta look at like the same footage from like, yeah, I already started.
Alright, my man.
You about to look at the same footage on two cameras.
Alright, so we're moving in this way. Adrian and Lucas, what are you guys doing?
Doing the clips on the car.
So you're doing all clips all around or just that back section?
No, all the clips.
If anybody wants, what is this, M3, right? E92, money man.
No, I'm selling it.
You selling it?
I'm selling it.
Selling it. He needs the money. Anybody wants a E92? This is V8, right? Super loud. Yeah, look at this. This is the original paint. It looks like a matte finish. What are you doing, Adrian?
Back in there. Just like that tedious door handle install. Freaking putting it back together.
That looks like a pain. Dang, you're not working.
Check out the camera, this is good footage. 5Gs as is.
5Gs as is? Yo, 5Gs as is. I'll pay.
Nothing else.
I get everything?
No, you get nothing else.
5G's the way it sits with all the parts that it is right now.
No, the way it's like this.
Yeah, with everything that's in there and everything.
Everything's in the car. I keep
That's
that.
hell no. Everything that's in the car right now, 5G's. I'll give you 5G's cash.
Everything in the car.
Everything, the way it sits right now. Anything that's in.
There's no parts in it. So you got no parts.
Yeah. No, but all the parts are inside though.
All the parts are your parts. You know that shit's broken.
Yo, disrespect. I'm done. Boop. Alright, like I said, that's all set for now. Gonna have to get some nuts and bolts for that. Front bumper needs a little bit of modifying, so that's not too crazy. But like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more. Next we're gonna be doing is the fenders and finishing up the hood. Stay tuned, guys. Launch me through over there.
You gotta watch you like against the.
Yeah, through over there. And then we'll probably like, I'll fucking hit an ollie.
Just making sure we're.
Helmet.
You ready to die?
Hell yeah.
We should give you a camera.
Living like Larry. It's all in